what up YouTube? We back again, doing more car stuff. As you can see, got a table laid out with the carbon fiber diffuser. This thing looks so sexy. Oops, wasn't in the picture. Alright, so we're gonna be putting it on today. Got the homie Rico with me.
Yeah.
You already know. I'm gonna step over to the Genesis real quick.
It's trash.
Oh, look at it. Drop down low. Drop down to get your eagle on, girl. Alright, so first thing is gonna be down at the bottom. There's like a couple screws down there. Pull off those screws. Alright, so gonna be down here working on this back piece. A couple 8mm bolts down bottom, and a couple clips. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull it off, clean it off, and then see how this other one fits on. Let's get it. Alright. Oh shit. Alright, so ooh, that's dirty.
Get these bolts out right here.
The 8mm. Oh,
they're all 8mm down here.
Dirty.
How many bolts are there?
3 8s for this piece.
3 8s. That's a black man working right there. So there's a lot more than 3 bolts. There's like 6.
4 more.
More.
There's 2 on the outside. 2 on the other outside over here. And a bunch on the inside.
Look at that boy with the drip.
Drip gang, yeah, that's me. Alright.
Got something up top. What are you taking up top?
I'm trying to take out this piece, but this piece is being annoying. Almost out, baby.
Bow, 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 bow.
I'm pretty sure I didn't even take this piece off, but
I don't think you did.
I'm just ripping it off now.
Yeah. No screws, no bolts, bottom ones. The rest are all just clips that you just push out and hope you don't break. Boom. It's out, guys.
Oh, it's out, baby.
Just like that. Oh, dude. You should just roll it like this. Boom.
You are beyond high. Alright, we got it off. Pieces off now. I didn't need to take off that front piece there, but I did because I'm retarded. Oh yeah, so now it's off. I'm gonna clean up the area. There's a couple of brackets on here that I may have to drill holes for, like this one, and then this one, and then that one. And then this one, and then this one, and then those 2 over there. So I may just drill small holes, just put the screws back in. or just use 3M tape. We'll see.
What we do here is go back.
All right, it is on. That is sexy. Woo! Holla at your boy. Well, we got some more work to do on the side markers. Damn, I can't wait to put burnt tips on this thing. You'll see it coming later on. Stay tuned. Alright, so the next thing was the side markers. Removed it, used a screwdriver to get the 3M tape off of it. We're going to be putting these ones right here on. Boy Rico over here working on this side. Sucks for him because I got the jack on my side. Sucks to suck, nerd. Alright, so yeah. As soon as I put it in, you guys will see that. And whew, I should just leave it like this. No, I ain't leaving it like this. Alright, be back.
Your man hit your phone, wanna make a ride. Swerving in your car, doing make a ride. Almost at the club, baby, make a ride. Hit this northern lights, we can take a flight. Fuck a kinda sweet too, step into the beat. Hey, bottles up on me, tipsy in the VIP. Hey, heels by your set, skin tight dress. Flexing with finesse, no checkers, this is just Burberry accent beyond the funk. Watch her shake her ass, shawty beyond the funk. Hit her with some game, got me rolling the dice. When you leave this club, where you go in tonight? Looking like a kilo, chips no Fritos. Keep the drinks cold, gave the waitress a C-no. Looking like a kilo, chips no Fritos. Keep the drinks cold, gave the waitress a C-no. Broke up with my girl, ain't feeling right.
God damn, don't be a bitch about it.
Hey, suck my cock.
Bring me in my car, got me feeling right. Let your head down, girl, enjoy the night. Riding through the city, smoking northern line. Broke up with my girl, I ain't feeling right. Bring me in my car, got me feeling right. Let your head down, girl, enjoy the night. Riding through the city.
Alright, that is the end of this video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. I got the carbon fiber dual pipe diffuser off of eBay. So I'll drop a link for that in the description. Hopefully they have some left. Also, I got the side markers off of eBay also. So I'll put all those in the link in the description below. That is the end of the video. And of course, got some cinematics for you guys at the end of this. Catch you later. Man, I'm ashy.
Icy watch, my wrist won't swell. Bottles in my section, they shouted me out. I hit new plateaus when they counted me out. So tell me what's the issue? Your whole squad can get it starting 5 and your bitch too. Tell me why you barking, you a shih tzu. Taco Bell flowing with the shit stew. All the same tone at the river walk. Timmy Duncan drip, that's the bank shot. Got small money, but you big top. Red bottom heels make a bitch walk. The beat fire, spit a couple rhymes for it. Your girl whine, I ain't got no time for it. You got juice, said I had to see. I turn it on and shut it down like control alt delete. Skimming through my songs, niggas waiting on my story on A7. Hold the sessions, niggas rapping for the glory. Grass-fed beef, high-end sweets. Self-made nigga, fuck your iron team. You don't need no nigga struggle. You don't need no nigga hustle. Yeah, man, now these bitches niggas wanna scuffle. Said she doing Kegels, girl, go and use your muscles. Ooh, I'ma buy that black on black Benz. Shawty said she wanna bring fans. Ooh.